is Ally trying to poke out Kermit's eye. She's trying to preen the image of Kermit on the screen, and Kermit's looking, getting jealous that she's preening his image on my phone. And Kermit was looking over as if to say, hey, who's that bird? Who's that bird? Who are you preening? Now she's trying to preen my beard image from the phone. She's so adorable when they try and use the phone. No. Look at how cute you two are. Hey, you can see yourselves. Maybe this would be what it'd be like if they were making a video call. She'd probably lose interest in it. Hope you're having a lovely day.